Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Wellness Wednesday. Today, we will work with the bladder flow because sometimes I just, when I'm thinking about what to present to you, I just really listen to my body and feels what comes up. And I hope that you will do that too, to listen to your intuition. And so for me, and I thought I wanted to share it with you, the bladder flow is a powerful flow, harmonizing so many of today's projects that we have: stress, back pain, neck pain, muscle pain, fear, anxiety, depression. It has a lot to do with the doing and our lifestyle. So, for that reason, it would be okay to practice this on yourself every day. But certainly, when you feel the need for it and you may have a little neck pain, then it's a powerful flow. So, this flow is in The Art of Jinshin. It's on page 68 and 69. And so, I will be using that to demonstrate to you. So let's place our hands on the back of the neck, right in the middle, which is safety energy location number 12. And just tune into your body, feeling which side feels better, which side can use a little love and attention. And then place your hand on the 12. So I'm actually sliding over, you see, like to the other side, and place the other hand on the tailbone. The tailbone here, or if it feels more comfortable, you can also place it on the same side, 25. So, you can see what feels comfortable for you. This flow is also in the core textbook. And so in the core, it says if you work on someone else, you can hold 25. So when you work on yourself, you can also hold 25 or the tailbone. So take a few breaths here. 25 helps to regenerate our bodies. It quietly regenerates our bodies. So this is a great hold after we exercise also, because it helps us to get rid of lactic acid in the body, which is what we build up when we exercise, and that can be the cause for tight muscles in the body. So the bladder flow starts here and then goes over the top of the head down the back of the head, neck, and then down the back in 3 lines. And while you're holding this, I actually would like to show you the illustration. So there, you can see how it moves over the top of the head and then down the back in 3 lines through the sacrum, where it really goes up and down and up and down and up and down, and then down the leg, down the back of the leg to the little toe, where it becomes the kidney flow. So for that reason, it's very helpful for any project in the legs. And also, if you have the label, or if you know somebody who has sciatica, that often comes from the L4, L5 area. And this bladder flow moves through that area, clearing that sacrum area and the lumbar spine. So powerful flow for a lot of projects that we see today. So take one more breath here. Exhale completely, and then move your hand. Take it from 25 and moving it to location number 8, which is right here in this joint area at the head of the fibula, right here. So on you, it can be a little bit lower or a little bit higher. So finding your 8, you can go right under that muscle a little bit. And also another way to do this is to hold it with your thumb like this. So whatever feels comfortable for you. 8 is a powerful location, figure 8, the sign of infinity. So infinity, peace, rhythm. So bringing rhythm into our lives. It helps waist up. It helps to connect waist up and waist down. And you can hold it like this, or you can also slide your hand in like this. That's also sitting in a figure 4, like this. Or coming around, this way. Whatever feels comfortable for you, finding your eight. I'm just holding it like this so you can see it clearly. So this flow is great for if you are standing around and it's uncomfortable, you can use bladder flow. Restless legs, bloating, eczema, sciatica, ear projects. A part of this flow goes to the ear. Also, if you have black circles under the eyes, this is great. Sweating or dryness. It's a water balancer, a water harmonizer. The bladder flow lives on the energy cycle of the fourth depth, and the element related to that is water. So any water projects, like I said, bloating, dry eyes, too much tearing. Jinshin is a harmonizer. So if it's too much or too little, we can use the flow associated to it. The color is blue, and that's what I happen to wear. Is that an accident, or is it something that I needed to support myself with? So if you have these feelings, then listen to it, because your body is telling you something. So let's take one more breath. Very nice. And we will then move it to 16, which is right here, the outside of the ankle bone. Moving back a little bit to show you. It's right here. So you don't have to stretch like this. You can just fold your leg over and hold it. Okay, that should be easy. In a figure four, it's easy. Or lie down, that's always comfortable. So use your fingers to feel your 16. Feel if there's any tightness there. Right here, underneath the ankle bone. And as a quick hold, 8 and 16 is also powerful. It brings the energy down, so it's great for headaches, migraines, frontal headaches, back headaches, any kind of headache. 8 and 16 is powerful. And then the last step is going into the little toe. The little toe you can hold with your fingers the outside, and then with your thumb the inside. You can go on the base and just wait. If there's any tenderness, just wait a couple of minutes, or maybe it happens instantaneously, that it opens up and you don't feel the tenderness anymore. And yes, it was there, but these points, these locations, these areas open up very quickly. One more breath, very nice. Exhale and gently let go. That was bladder flow. As a quick hold, we can hold the index finger, right or left. Wherever you went to naturally is probably exactly what you need. And I hope that some of you will join me for my class next in 2 weeks in Amsterdam, November 16 and 17. It will be a hands-on class. You will learn all about how to practice on someone else, which is, wonderful. That's what the practice is about, really, right? So if I don't see you there, then you can check out our website. We have a lot of online courses. We have a practitioner program online. So there's lots of opportunities and fun things to follow. And I'm really grateful for having this community and for you joining me here every week and practicing along, keeping your body, mind, and spirit harmonized. So I thank you all so much for joining our Wellness Wednesday, and I will see you next week.